वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज अपन यहाँ पे इंडियन पॉलिटिकल का सेकंड पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे जिसमें 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं। जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि आपको इंपॉर्टेंट जो क्वेश्चंस है नाबार्ड के वो मिल जाए। ओके, तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अपना। तो क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन इंडिया। तो आंसर इज इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी। तो इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी जो होता है वो देखिए क्या होता है। द पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम एम्फासाइजेस द कलेक्टिव responsibility of fusion of power between the executive and legislature while the judiciary remain independent. Okay, next, second, which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the establishment of the finance commission? The answer is article 280. Okay, so article 280 mandate establishment of finance commission to recommend the distribution of tax revenue between the union and the state. Okay, next, third, which of the following is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? The answer is right to equality. Okay, the right to equality is a fundamental right under the article 14, whereas the right to education have been made a fundamental right under the article 21A. Next question 4. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? The answer is 26 January 1950. Okay, देखो, the Constitution of India was adopted on January 26, 1950, marking the beginning of India sovereign state. Okay, next, 5. Which article allows the president to appoint the prime minister? The answer is article 75. Article 75 empowers the president to appoint the prime minister and other minister advice to the prime minister. 6. What is the maximum age for the person to be elected as a member of Rajya Sabha? The answer is 30 years. Okay, candidate must have at least 30 years of the old to be eligible for election to the Rajya Sabha. Okay, next, 7. Which of the following article contain the provision for the speaker in Lok Sabha? The answer is article 93. Okay, article 93 provide the election of the speaker and deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha. Okay, next, 8. The concept of basic structure of the constitution was introduced by which landmark judgment? The answer is Keshavananda Bharati case. Okay, ये हुआ है अपना क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट, which article of the constitution mandate the establishment of national commission for women? The answer is article 338. Article 338 provide for the establishment of national commission for women to review the constitutional and legal safeguard for women. Okay, next, 10th, what is the term of office for the member of Rajya Sabha? The answer is 6 year. Okay, the member of Rajya Sabha serve for the term 6 year with 1/3 of the member retire every 2 year. Okay, next, 11. Which of the following article provide for the creation of national commission for scheduled caste? The answer is article 338A. The article 338 is established the national commission for scheduled caste to monitor safeguard for the scheduled caste. Okay, next, 12th. Which of the following is non-justiciable right under the Indian Constitution? The answer is right to work. Okay, the right to work is a directive principle of state policy and is a non-justiciable, meaning it cannot be enforced by the court. Okay, next, 13. Which constitutional amendment is known for the introduction of 73rd and 74th amendment regarding local self-governance? The answer is 73rd amendment. Okay, the 73rd amendment 1992 introduced Panchayati Raj system for the rural local governance and 74th amendment provide for the urban local governance. Okay, next, 14. Which body is responsible for the appointment of chief election commissioner in India? The answer is president. Okay, the chief election commissioner is appointed by the president of India. Okay, next, 15. Which of the following article provide for the protection against discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth? The answer is article 15. Okay, article 15 prohibit discrimination on the ground of religion, caste, sex, birth of place. Okay. Next, 16. Which constitutional article mention the establishment of district consumer forum? The answer is Article 47. Okay. Article 47 mandate the state to improve public health and the establishment of the consumer forum. Okay. Next, 17. Which article of the constitution define the procedure for the impeachment of the president? So the answer is Article 61. Article 61 provide the procedure for the impeachment of the president of India. Next, 18. Under which article can the parliament legislate for the territories in the union list? The answer is Article 239. Article 239 empower parliament to make law for the union territories. Okay. Next, 19. Which of the following provision is applicable for the appointment of prime minister? Answer is majority of Lok Sabha members. Okay. देखो, the prime minister is appointed by the president but must have confidence of the majority in the Lok Sabha. Next, 20. Which article empower the president to grant pardons? The answer is Article 72. Article 72 give president to power to grant pardon, reprieve, respite and remission of punishment. Next, 21. Which constitutional amendment provide for the enhancement of the retirement age of the High Court judge from 60 to 62 years? The answer is 46th Amendment. The 46th Amendment 1982 raised the retirement age of the High Court judge. Okay. Next, 22. Which of the following article provide for the establishment of the State of Human Right Commission? The answer is Article 38. Article 38 allows the establishment of State Human Right Commission. Next, 23rd. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act relate to which of the following? The answer is education to rights. Okay. The 86th Amendment 2002 made the education of fundamental rights for the children age 6 to 14 years. Next, 24. Which article of the Constitution provide for the right to information? The answer is Article 19(1)(b). The right to education is derived from the right of freedom of the speech and expression under the Article 9(1)(a). Okay. Next, 25. Who among the following is not a member of Rajya Sabha? The answer is member of Lok Sabha. Member of Lok Sabha are not part of Rajya Sabha. Next, 26. Which of the following is a feature of Indian constitutions? So, single citizenship, bicameral legislature, independent judiciary, means all of the above. Okay. देखो, the Indian constitution features single citizenship, bicameral legislature and independent judiciary. Okay. Next, 7. Which of the following article empower the parliament to regulate the procedure for the conduct for its business? The answer is Article 118. देखो, Article 118 provide the parliament with the authority to make rule for its own procedure and conduct of business. Okay. Next, 28. Which article provide for the establishment of Central Bureau of Intelligence? The answer is Article 311. The Article 311 provide for the establishment of Central Bureau of Intelligence. Next, 29. Which of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? The answer is right to the property. Okay. The right to the property was original fundamental right but made the legal right by 44th Amendment Act. Next, 30. Which article allows the Supreme Court to have original jurisdiction in the dispute between the state? The answer is Article 131. Okay. Article 131 grant the Supreme Court original jurisdiction in dispute involving the state. Next, 31. Which article of the Constitution provide for the composition of the Electoral College for election of the President? The answer is Article 54. Okay. Article 54 provides for the election of President by Electoral College consisting of elected member of both houses of Parliament and elected member of legislative assemblies of state and union territories. Okay. Next, 32. Under which article can the president dissolve the Lok Sabha? Answer is Article 85. Article 85 gives the president the authority to dissolve the Lok Sabha. Okay. Next, 33. Which of the following is not a function of president of India? The answer is making law. Okay. देखो, the president does not make law, that the function of parliament. Okay. Next, 34. Which constitutional amendment is known for the provision of reservation for ST in legislative bodies? So answer is 79th amendment. 79th amendment is an extent for the reservation of seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Okay. Next, 35. Which body is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental right? The answer is Supreme Court. Okay. The Supreme Court is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental right under the Article 32. Okay. Next, 36. Which of the following is not a method of constitutional amendment in India? Answer is absolute majority. Okay. देखो, there is no method called absolute majority in the context of constitutional amendment. Amendment can be passed by the simple majority or special majority. Okay. Next, 37. Which of the following article define the duties of the Prime Minister? Answer is Article 78. Okay. Then Article 78 outline the duties of Prime Minister regarding the administrative under the Union government. Next, 38. Which article of the Constitution mandate the setting up the State Election Commission? The answer is 243K. Okay, देखो 243K mandate the establishment of State Election Commission for conduct of elections to the Panchayat Raj institutions. Okay. Next, 39. Which constitutional amendment removed the right to property from the list of fundamental right? Answer is 44th amendment. Okay. The 44th amendment 1978 made the right to the property a legal right instead of fundamental right. Okay. Next, 40. Which of the following is not a source of Constitution of India? The answer is French Constitution. Okay. देखो, the French Constitution is not a source of Indian Constitution, although the concept of liberty, equality, and equality and fraternity were influenced by it. Okay. Next, 41. Which article state that the executive power of union shall be vested in the president? The answer is Article 53. Article 53 states that the executive power of the union shall be vested in the president. Okay. Next, 42. Under which article can the president appoint the governor of the state? The answer is Article 155. Article 155 provides the governor of state shall be appointed by the president. Next, 43. Which of the following is the procedure for the amendment of Constitution of India? The answer is all of the above. Amendment by single majority, special majority, and simple majority of the state legislature. Okay. Next, 44. What is the minimum age to contest election for the Lok Sabha? Answer is 25. The candidate must have at least 25 old to contest for the Lok Sabha. Okay. Next, 45. Which of the following is not a condition for the declaration of national emergency? The answer is internal disturbances. Okay. Internal disturbances is not a condition for the declaration of national emergency. Financial instability is not a valid condition for declaring the national emergency under the Article 352. Okay. Next, 46. The term of the Panchayat Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Okay. The member of Rajya Sabha serve for the term of 6 years. Next, 47. Which article provide for the appointment of the Attorney General of India? The answer is Article 76. Okay, क्या है Article 76? देखो, Article 76 provide for the appointment of Attorney General of India. Next, 48. Which of the following article deal with the amendment of the constitution? The answer is article 368. Article 368 deal with the procedure for amending the constitution. Next, 49. Which article of the constitution is related to establishment of the finance commission? Answer is article 280. Article 280 provide the establishment of the finance commission. Next, 50. Who has the authority to initiate the impeachment process of the president of India? The answer is both house of parliament. Okay. नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा वो इंडियन पॉलिटिकल का थर्ड रहेगा, जिसमें अपन 50 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, देन इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्ट। जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस आपको मिल जाए।